Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I am heading over to the soap shop. We have a huge pallet of oils coming in that I'll have to put away today. And then we have a bunch of orders from the weekend and Cyber Monday to pack up and ship out. So I thought I'd do a little video on my ride over. Tina is out running to the bank and doing some errands. So it's snowing actually here in Maine. But I wanted to do a video because it's so funny to me how I have some of the same people from years and years ago who ask me every year if what I'm doing online is legit and if it really works. And it just befuddles me. Because not only am I working with legit opportunities, one of them's going into its 22nd year. I show payment proof all the time, okay? So I don't understand how people can think that it's not legit, these opportunities are not legit, and then I'm not making money with it, I mean, I show you checks, I show you cash, I show you payment proof. I just had somebody sign up with me today in Nexus Rewards. All right, that's a $25 commission. I had somebody sign up in Cash Building System Unlimited the other day. That's a minimum of $25 commission. And I know that I'll have some checks in the mail today. Or maybe not today, but this week. And I'll post those and show you. I mean, I don't do this for fun. I do it. I do it because I love it. I mean, I am addicted to network marketing and making money online. I love it. It's working for yourself. There's no better thing, in my opinion. It's not for everybody, but for me, I love working for myself. I love being able to set my own schedule. I love being able to do what I want to do when I want to do it for as long as I want to do it and not worry about cash flow. So I guess the point of this video is, all these people are asking me, is it legit? Is it legit? Do you really make money? I've been working full time for myself since 2018. All right, and I've found the three, in my opinion, best opportunities that give you the best chance of working from home going into 2025. You just have to decide that you're going to do it and do it. I see so many people, and actually, in all fairness, when I first started, learning about working from home and trying out different opportunities, I would jump from opportunity to opportunity. I had the shiny object syndrome where I would go and I might make, $25 here, $100 here, maybe $1,000 here. But then the new opportunity would come out and I would drop whichever opportunities I was in and then move on to the next, the newer opportunities. So I'm guilty of that myself, but I wasted so much time by doing that and not sticking to, just a couple of opportunities. Now, the reason I do 3 opportunities is because 2 of them are direct mail opportunities where if you can mail out postcards, you can make this work. It's super easy to do. The other is a global opportunity, a network marketing opportunity. So I just find that these 3 opportunities together are just solid, absolutely solid. All right, like I said, one of them has been around for 22 years. The other one's been around for a handful of years. Actually, the other 2 have both been around for a handful of years. They have really good owner admins. You can get in touch with them if you need to call and talk to them on the phone. They don't hide behind the computer screen. And they're just solid opportunities. So my suggestion or my advice to you, for whatever it's worth, is if you're thinking about supplementing or replacing your income in 2025, if that's what you want to do and you're serious about it, just do it. What do you have to lose? Even if you don't start making a full-time income right away, right? What if you made an extra $500 a month, an extra $1,000 a month? What if you made, would that help you and your family out? Would that change your life at all? For most people, that would. So just do it. Stop procrastinating. Jump on these opportunities. Look, you can go right now to joinruss.com. Check out the 3 opportunities that I'm in. Find one that resonates with you. I have people that join in all 3 of them. All right? But find one that resonates with you. I'm going to send you my resources and help you get started. You'll have my contact information. And I will help you. Of course, you're going to have to do the work, but I will help you if you're willing to put in the work. All right? So stop thinking about it and just do it. And go into the new year with a goal that you're going to supplement or replace your income by the end of 2025. And just do it. That's my best advice. All right? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.